Go to Google and search for Cisco Packet Tracer. Then click on the Cisco Packet Tracer Networking Simulation tool link. You don't need to log in as things have changed. Instead, scroll down and look for Download and Get Started section. Here you will see 3 courses. You want to select the Getting Started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on View Course. A dialog will pop up and will redirect you to the Skills for All resource page. Or click on Skills for All button. Now in the resource page, click on Get Started. It will redirect you to the login page. Enter your credentials if you already have an account or use Google to log in. Else make a new account by clicking on Sign Up. Enter the required information. Your password should the following criteria. First letter uppercase followed by small case and a symbol. Click on Create Account. A Terms and Conditions pop-up appears. Accept the terms by selecting ticks on both and click Accept and Continue. Now the manual to download page will open. Scroll down and select Install Cisco Packet Tracer. It will take you to the Install Cisco Packet Tracer page. Scroll down until you see the Download Cisco Packet Tracer section. Click on the link given. It will redirect you to the Resource Hub download page. Scroll down until you see the Packet Tracer link along with the current version. Select the version you want to download according to your operating system. Wait until the download completes. Then run the downloaded software. Click on Accept. Click Next. Wait until the setup completes. Select the option to launch Cisco Packet Tracer. Click Finish. Wait for a while and it will auto-run. Let it load. Now a pop-up will open and ask you to log in. Use the second option where it says Skills for All. Once you click it, it will take you to your browser, and if you are logged in, it will automatically log you in, and you will see that it says that you have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may close the tab, and now go back to the application, and now you are ready to go. Like and subscribe. For any queries, comment down below.